Hi everyone. Today we'll be looking at H&M's CSR communication efforts for my company critique. In this presentation, we'll dive into H&M's background as a global corporation, its CSR initiatives, and how it goes about communicating those initiatives to relevant stakeholders. H&M is a global fashion retailer. Based in Stockholm, Sweden, the company is known for its fast fashion business model, which prioritizes mass-producing high-fashion designs at low cost to take advantage of demand trends while at their highest. In order to do this and remain both competitive and profitable, H&M relies heavily on cheap labor from manufacturing industries in developing countries, inexpensive materials, and the rising efficiencies of the global supply chain. The company's business model is the modern iteration of Industrial Revolution-era dress shops, which employed garment workers who work from home for low wages. Fast forward to the 21st century, H&M and similar businesses dominate the fashion industry as makers of wardrobe staples, disposable under the consumerist pressure of replacing clothes on a seasonal basis. The retail giant undertakes its corporate social responsibility using a multi-pronged approach. These initiatives include material innovation, a non-negotiable sustainability commitment from suppliers and partners, fair wages and good working conditions as well as animal welfare, inclusivity across multiple social domains, and most importantly, environmental sustainability. H&M champions material innovation by supporting companies that explore unconventional materials for fashion manufacturing, such as grape leather, circular cellulose made from 100% discarded cotton, agrolute biofiber derived from crop waste, and orange fiber, a biodegradable silk-like yarn made from cellulose out of orange peel and pulp. The company requires a non-negotiable sustainability commitment from companies it works with, such as suppliers and partners, and these commitments are a set of standards covering fair wages, good working conditions, and animal welfare. This is an ethical code of conduct that mandates certain types of corporate behaviors from its partners. On the social dimension, H&M supports a message of inclusivity to support diversity, gender equality, women's rights, and body positivity. The company employs 150,000 people in 74 countries, which speaks to its commitment to diversity. And also, for the last 3 years, it has supported the UN Free and Equal campaign, a social campaign aimed at fighting homophobia and transphobia. The fast fashion icon supports environmental sustainability by doing away with hazardous chemicals in the manufacturing process, and is one of the first fashion companies to establish a chemical restrictions list back in the mid-90s. These restrictions are applied to suppliers as well, and regular tests are conducted to ensure compliance. It has also joined the Pathways Coalition to reduce contributions to greenhouse gases in the transport of its products, and has continued to switch to non-plastic materials for its packaging. Finally, its garment collecting program, rolled out globally in 2013, takes used clothes in H&M stores worldwide for recycling while incentivizing customers to participate with thank you vouchers valid in store. H&M employs a variety of strategies and tools to communicate its CSR initiatives to stakeholders. It focuses on transparency through reporting while engaging a self-aware narrative that recognizes the damage of the fashion industry. It takes advantage of an omni-channel approach to engage in multi-stakeholder communication. And finally, it weaves sustainability as a critical thread of its corporate identity fabric. On its website, the fashion giant uses accessible language and narratives to communicate sustainability goals with customers and addresses the elephant in the room, which is the industry's massive contribution to global sustainability problems as one of the most polluting sectors in the world, as it does so. The fact that sustainability is one of the top-level navigation options on the H&M website, especially in some markets such as India, sends the message that the company takes the issue very seriously. The company also uses a variety of media formats on its website to share its CSR initiatives, providing readers an interactive magazine-style experience as they browse through the literature. In terms of other channels, social media also figures prominently in the H&M CSR media mix, along with press and media relations, marketing and advertising activations, and partner marketing avenues. You can see on channels like Facebook that H&M regularly promotes its sustainability initiatives, often amplified by partners such as property managers, which house their branches. The company leverages its massive PR apparatus to amplify the release of its reports and other sustainability news. And furthermore, it conducts effective marketing activations, such as in 2022, when the company created a campaign for its climate positive commitment by repurposing a massive billboard into 250 recycled handbags. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. In my next presentation, we will look at a critique framework against which we can measure the effectiveness of H&M CSR communication activities. See you then.